Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a stock analysis of Bullish. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, Bullish is quite a new company on the stock exchange. It's only from August 13th of this year. Now, as you can see, I have drawn some technicals, and this is the way I do think this stock is going to act. And the reason I think it's going to act this way is given the RSI and just how the support levels are on this stock. Now, recently we have been increasing in the RSI, as you can see right down here, from being oversold in quite a long time, and it's moving upwards towards overbought. So I do think we're going to maybe even see it's going to continue upwards towards the end of September, upwards towards this previous support level right up here at 62 bucks. Would be $10 up from where we're currently sitting, which would be about 9 or 8% total. No. Now, as you can see, if we don't do that and we're going to fall down again, I do think we might see a double bottom in this stock. And if that happens, I do think once again we're going to continue upwards toward this right here. That's at least my prediction. Now, if you don't know what RSI is, that is the relative strength index, as I said. And once it's up here, it's in the upper channel, which means the stock momentum is going upwards. If it's down here between 50 and 30, it's in the lower channel, meaning the stock is trading downwards. Now, sometimes it happens that we have a lot of sellers in the market and it's being oversold. Once this happens, the stock is falling rapidly. The opposite is true above 70 up here, it's being overbought. And once it's up here or down here, it's a lot more volatile, so always be a bit careful about that. Now, the market cap in this company is quite large. As you can see, they have a market cap of 7.65 billion USD. Now, something I don't like about this company is the margins. Just look at this, 0.03 margins is absolutely hard. Now, they rake in $250 billion, but the net income is only 78 million USD, which is absolutely horrid. As you can see how they make the money, it is on the exchange they make the absolute bulk of their money. Now you can see the countries they're in. As you can see, they're huge in Singapore, United Kingdom, the rest of the world, and British Virgin Islands. They're also quite large. And something you should note is also they're huge in the Cayman Islands, which is a huge tax haven. That's actually quite interesting. But overall, they're huge in Singapore and the United Kingdom. And these are two countries that are graded in because, of course, it is a industrialized country. So, of course, we want to see that compared to other undeveloped countries. On the overview, as you can see, we have a lot of closely held shares. You should be very careful when this happens, because this means 66% of the shares can't be sold yet. This often happens when a stock goes on the IPO. That's because the insiders, which would be the CEO, COO, and so on and so forth, can't sell their shares because there is a lockup period that is typically 3, 6, or 12 months. Also, might see it being the investors who brought them onto the stock exchange in the first place. Always be a bit careful about this. Now, they have surprisingly little debt for a new tech company, as you can see right here, only $661 million, and the market cap is $7.6 billion, so it's below 10%. They have decent amount of cash, which is quite nice to see. I was firstly founded back in 2020, which is a quite new company to go on the stock exchange. I mean, it's just 5 years. That is something I'm not a huge fan of, to be honest. Now, if you go down here to technicals, as you can see for the day, it's a sell, but for the week and month, we don't even have any off trading views owned. Now, the analyst rating on this, we have surprisingly few compared to how much it has been moving. As you can see, we have two and we have two hold. We have one who says it should be 60 and one who says it should be 45. I don't know who should be right, but I do think it's a quite an interesting company. But I do think at the end of the year it's going to be lower. Now the reason I think that is right up here, the margins, they're simply so low. They make hardly any money at all. So I don't think this $7.6 billion market cap is justified. Now, I mean, just look at this annually. We don't even have, we can't even see the annual estimates, but as you can see, the EPS is positive in the future. And as you can see, they also estimate to make more and more money. I hope that for them because they've really not been making that much money at all. Now that was my stock analysis of Bullish. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember this isn't financial advice, it's for entertainment and educational purposes.